Hi guys, welcome back. I thought I would do a little bit of a different video. I found a recipe for a dog shampoo that I wanted to try on the internet. So I thought I would assemble all the ingredients right here and I would take you through the actual recipe and we'll make the dog shampoo. The recipe calls for 1 cup of baking soda, which I have right here, 1 cup of oats, and rolled oats, so it can be small flake or large flake, it doesn't matter because we're going to pulse it in the blender. Then you're going to need something to store your shampoo, and I'm actually going to use this really cute mason jar. I probably could use a smaller mason jar, but I think this is the only big one or the only decent size that I have that I know of. Then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of dish liquid, and I prefer Dawn because it's an antibacterial and it already has a scent. The recipe says that you can add a scent to your shampoo, but because this already has a scent, you don't need to. Then you're going to need 4 cups of warm water. So let's begin. We're first going to take the oatmeal, I will move in closer, and we're going to pulse it in the blender. So I'm just going to dump this in the blender. And the whole idea of doing this is to make the oatmeal into tiny, or not tiny, sorry, but a fine powder so that it mixes with all the other ingredients. Okay, my blender's not being cooperative. It got stuck somehow. I'm going to put the blender lid on and see if I can fix it this way. There we go. Okay, so we're going to pulse that. Okay, we want the lid to close, obviously. We don't want that to pop open. So as you can see that the oatmeal has become quite a fine powder. I will zoom in so you guys can see that. And that's pretty much what you want. You can pulse it a little bit more if you want it ground just a little bit more, which I'm going to do. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Then you're going to add the rest of your ingredients to this. So I would suggest, or the recipe suggests that you add the dry ingredients first. Oops, oatmeal powder everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda. And I'm going to pulse that again. Okay, so the baking soda has really mixed in with the oatmeal. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of our dish liquid, our Dawn. I've just got this little wooden spoon that I'm using. It's approximately a teaspoon. I'm not going to be perfectly measuring this out. And this scent is Thai dragon fruit. It smells really good. So we're going to add that to there. It doesn't seem like a lot, but you don't want a lot of soap or surfactant in your shampoo. That's the whole idea. Is the less surfactants, the better. I'm just going to mix my spoon off in my warm water and get it all mixed. So then I'm going to add my 4 cups of warm water. Okay, try and get it in the blender and not all over the counter. You can see the suds. And again, we're going to blend that up until we get the consistency that we like for our shampoo. So let's do it. And there you have it. There's the dog shampoo. It actually looks like a milkshake, an oatmeal milkshake, but I wouldn't suggest anybody drink this because it's really disgusting. So there is the shampoo, and this is how much I got. So if you actually look, I got, sorry, not 15 mils. I got almost 5 cups of shampoo, and that's amazing. 5 cups of shampoo, are you kidding me? I mean, that's pennies for this recipe, so I'm glad that I really did bring this big mason jar. And I'm going to pour my mixture into the mason jar. I probably have enough mixture to do another mason jar because that is a lot of dog shampoo. And it smells really good. And there you have it, you guys. And I've got a lid here somewhere. This is an old mason jar, an old Bell mason jar, so it's got one of these really rusty kind of screw-on lids like that. So there you go. I'm going to be actually trying it out tonight because I have a dog that needs a bath. And this is going to be very soothing for you. So the baking soda itself, the reason you only add a teaspoon of the dish liquid is because the baking soda itself will act as a soap or surfactant without drying out the coat of the dog. And yeah, you can see all the oatmeal particles at the bottom, but for the most part it mixed up. And so there you have it. There's your DIY shampoo for your dog. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box so you guys can make your own. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.